So once we've got a list of grants to apply for, we can then use Claude and Funding to then draft an application. So we're going to go back into Funding. Within the bid library, we should have documents which help us understand who you are as an organisation. So things like impact data, case studies, project plans, all that sort of stuff. It's more effective to upload it to our bid library than just have it in a Google Drive, and I will link it to a blog to show why. But it is more effective. So once we've got our bid library built, we can then use Claude to draft these applications. And again, like finding grants, we can also automate that as well. So let's take the Gosling Foundation. We're going to ask Claude is now going to look at the Gosling Foundation, again check you're eligible, and then it's going to pull the application form from Funding and into Claude, and then it's going to use Claude's own writing skills to then draft the application. So Claude has now drafted the entire application using the application form from Funding, your bid library, and its own writing skills. Now, from here, there's a load of things we can do. So we could then send this to a Google Sheet and automate it and add it to a folder. Or, as we did with finding grants, we can automate this entire process. So we could go to schedule tasks. We'll go back to our weekly check-in. And we're going to edit this. So we're going to say, search for any grants, match our priority list and days. And add to, well, we could add it to a Google Sheet, but we'll leave that now. Frequency, weekly. And we'll do that on Mondays. So every Monday, it's going to find new grants, find the high priority ones, and draft them for you. So then all you've got to do then is log in, review the application, and at least you've got a starting point.